Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing some Daisy London jewellery. I love Daisy London, it's such a lovely brand. They have the most beautiful designs, like it's super wearable, it's super pretty, and also their sustainability is pretty much impeccable. Like they are a carbon positive company, which I didn't even know was possible. It's amazing. So anyway, I'm going to show you my jewellery. I love it, it's beautiful. I may have already opened it, but I figured I'd open it again. Apologies. And yeah, I just wanted to show you how cute it all is and how it comes packaged and give you some information about the sustainability in general. And yeah, I just hope you love it as much as I do. Also, you can get 10% off if you sign up to their mailing list. I will put all the links below because it's well worth doing. They actually send out lovely emails and you get 10% off your order. They have some other offers as well, like if you buy, I think 3 items, you get some money off. So it is worth looking, but it's well worth investing. Their jewellery is so good. I first bought their jewellery about 10 years ago and I loved it. It was really cute. It was like little chakra bracelets, so cute. And then I feel like as I've grown up, they've grown up with me, which I really like. I also bought a little initial necklace. It had a little K on. I don't think they even do them anymore, but it was just like such a cute brand. But I feel like now they've grown up a bit and so have I. So it's really nice. So yeah, 10 years on, I'm still wearing it and it's just lovely quality and it's so beautiful. And they did a collection with Estee Lalonde, the influencer slash YouTuber, and that was incredible. So yeah, I hope you like it as much as I do. So let's unbox. So here it is. I have obviously already opened it and I've taken off my label just in case you were wondering. And yeah, it's got a cute little message here that says, "We're going to look great together." I agree. And then on the inside, it's got a cute little message saying, "Oh, hello, your jewelry, your way." And it comes in a little pouch. It's got some tissue paper and then it's got some information about their sustainability. I might tell you a bit about that in a minute, but one really cute detail which I just have to point out is on this card, which tells you all about the sustainability. They've got little wildflowers inside, so you can actually plant this piece of paper and it's got seeds in, so little flowers will grow, which is so cute and also so good for the planet because bees love flowers. So I think that's lovely. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to show you the jewelry. So of course comes in a little bag, which is adorable. And then I'm just going to put the camera down. So here we go. Here is the box. And I've got 2 necklaces in here, but they've actually put it in one box, which I kind of love because I don't need 2 boxes. You know, I'm happy with just the one and it just saves that little bit of paper. They have given me 2 little pouches, one for each necklace, so you can store your jewelry away in the little pouch. I'm not sure which piece to show you first. Let's get them out the box. Okay, I'm going to show you this piece first because this is a piece I bought more for layering up. You can wear Daisy London jewelry by itself, but you can also layer it up with multiple pieces, which is where I think it really takes on like a slice of loveliness. I think jewelry just looks so good layered up, and this is just perfect for layering. But it's just a really nice textured chain, if I can get it in focus. I think these are about £100 each, and you can also add charms to it if you want, but you can just wear it by itself. You can wear it with other necklaces, and of course you can add like other charms. Sometimes I like to add in a little ring. I think a ring looks really pretty on a necklace around your neck. I don't know if that's just me, but I'll go ahead and put this one on and then you can kind of see it on. Here it is. I hope you can see it. I might move a little bit closer to the mirror. But yeah, here it is on. It just reflects light really prettily. It's just a really pretty chain necklace. It's a gorgeous shade of gold. And yeah, it really reflects the light. Also, a thing I love about Daisy London jewelry is I'm obviously not a thin person and I have a fairly like wide neck, as you would expect. And their chains are a generous length. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not a chokery length. It's just a really nice length. And if you are like slim, it will sit a bit lower on you. But if you are a little bit bigger, it will sit at also a really nice length. Because I think some brands will make chains really short and they just sometimes feel a bit choky. I hate that. So this is a really lovely length. Hopefully you can see exactly where it's sat, but it's just like the perfect length to basically wear anywhere with anything. So that is my first necklace. And this I can just wear alone, but personally I got it to layer up with the other necklace. The other necklace is so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's adorable. Let me show you. Okay, so here is the second piece I got. This is probably my favourite of the two. I absolutely love it. It's just like a little drawing of a flower in what almost looks like a cast kind of wax design, if that makes sense. It's a bit like one of those letter stamps that you get on the back of envelopes. I just think it's so cute. I love the design. I love the little twisted chain it comes on. I just think it's adorable. On the back it says Daisy London. It's a beautiful shade of gold. It's a good size as well. It's not too dainty. The chain is a nice thickness, so it's not going to tangle. And I just think it's adorable. Like, there I am, back in focus. But yeah, I just think it's adorable. I think it's so cute. I love it. It's like one of my favourite designs by them. And I'm just going to put it on to show you. And I'm personally planning on wearing the two layered up. And you never know, one day maybe Mary will wear it too, which is so cute. I'm really enjoying buying things that I feel like one day she might discover in my wardrobe and like kind of want, and I can share them with her, which I think will be really cute. And because this is all made from sterling silver gold vermeil, it means that she can, and it will last, because like the things that I bought 10 years ago still look really good today. So I love the fact that it does last and I can kind of pass it on to Mary. Anyway, I'm just going to pop the camera down and put it on and hopefully you can see. Okay, so here it is on. I hope you can see, but they're just really nice lengths, especially worn together. Again, it's a generous length, even though I am like a size 18. It sits at a good length on me. It doesn't feel too low. It doesn't feel choky. It feels like the perfect length for a shirt. It's really nice. I don't know, with a jumper, with a dress, with everything really. And yeah, it's just a really pretty length with them kind of layered up together, but also worn alone. It just feels lovely. Like, I'm really pleased with it, and it's so cute. And I don't know, it just really glistens. I love the way both chains are not just like your standard chains. They're both kind of textured chains, which just adds a little bit more interest. And yeah, I can wear them alone, I can wear them together, and I love them. I think they're so cute. Oh, anyway, I hope you like them as much as I do. I'm gonna go now. But before I go, I am going to quickly share some sustainability information because I think it's really important. So basically all their jewellery is made from 100% recycled silver. It's all made with eco packaging. They have a plastic pledge, which is incredible. For each item purchased, they will remove the equivalent of 10 small plastic bottles from the ocean. They do this with a company, I think it's called 4Ocean, if you want to have a Google, and they are a carbon positive company, which is incredible, which means they offset 3 times the amount of carbon they produce as a business. And if you want to trace their supply chain, you can do, which is incredible. How do I get myself in focus? There we go. So yeah, I'm super pleased with my jewellery. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you want to buy anything, the links are below. And of course you can get 10% off by signing up to their mailing list. Well worth doing, because it's actually a really nice mailing list. And yeah, they have new jewellery coming out not too frequently, but like quite frequently. Like, it's not constant drops, because I think everything that they make, they really like put their hearts and souls into, so they don't produce like constant newness, but at the same time they do make quite a lot of new things per year, so it's well worth hearing about, because there might be a little bit of treasure in there for you. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love it. And yeah, I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.